Hey everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a dish that I saw on Paula Deen's channel. When I first started my channel, I made a Paula Deen recipe called a pineapple casserole. And y'all, it was bad. It was really bad. And I think part of it was my fault. I don't know exactly what went wrong with it. The cheese didn't melt. The pineapple tasted really good, but pineapple always tastes good. The coating on the top didn't brown like it was supposed to, and I cooked it probably 10 minutes longer than it should have been cooked. So I don't know what happened to it. But this recipe is supposed to be super simple, and we're going to try it. Now let me warn you, the ingredients sound kind of gross together. And I can't imagine what's going to happen to these crackers once we throw mayonnaise in it, because it's probably going to get soft. And when I saw her video, she did mention that this was a dish that was best eaten right when you make it, not to let it sit. And that's probably why. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up, whoops, let me go the right way. Some little green onions here. You know, I was out in the garden earlier today. Been out there for a couple hours actually, fertilizing, and I'm digging a new bed, so I can't wait to show y'all that. I think I'm just going to put flowers in it. I got hot and I came inside and I thought, my gosh, what time is it? Because my stomach is eating my spine. It was so hungry. So I looked at the clock and it was like 1:30. So I started getting everything ready to make dinner, because I made some, I made a pork tenderloin the other night. So what I did was I sliced it up real thin and I put some barbecue sauce in it. And it's heating up on the stove over there. So I'm going to have a sandwich and this salad for my lunch. But y'all, as I was cleaning up, I washed my face and my hands, and of course I had to get some lipstick on. Because I love me some lipstick. I don't care if my whole face is not made up, but by goodness, I'm going to have some lipstick on. So, anyhow, I did all that. Alright, that's enough of that onion. I'm tired of cutting it. And I'm going to throw it in this bowl. And I've got about 3/4 of a cup of chopped up tomato in here. It was a medium-sized tomato. She says to use a large one, but I'm not making a whole recipe. I'm only making a half a recipe. So anyhow, I'm throwing that in there. And now I'm going to cut this boiled egg up. So let me tell y'all what happened. I'm sitting there drinking some tea, trying to cool off after I got my kitchen cleaned up for the video. And I was so hot. I kept thinking, my gosh, if I don't cool off soon, I'm going to have to go take a bath. Because, you know, just to cool off. And I thought I was having hot flashes, y'all. Well, I got up and I checked the air conditioner, and it was 82 degrees in my house. Well, it's only 87 outside. And somebody had turned the air conditioner off. I wanted to choke whoever it was. Now, I still don't know who it was. I don't know if it was Poppy or one of those kids got cold in the night and decided to turn it off. But it wasn't no wonder I was sitting there sweating like a, never mind. I was going to say sweating like a whore in church, but I didn't know if that was appropriate or not. So, I'm sorry if I offended anybody. Alright, I'm going to use a half a sleeve of these crackers here. Come on, crackers, get out of there. There. Now, we're just going to crush them up in here. good. And I sure hope it tastes better than the pineapple casserole. Look, I've made Paula Deen recipes all along. I love Paula Deen. Love her. I don't care if she got canceled or not. I mean, everybody says things they regret once in a while, you know. Whether it's a slur or whether it's just telling somebody to shut up, you know. I don't know. Anyhow, that ain't none of my business. We're here to cook. So, in addition to that, now I'm not going to put any more salt in that because those crackers are real salty. I'm going to taste it first and then see if it needs it. But I don't think it's going to need it. Now, she says to use a cup and a half when you make the whole recipe of mayonnaise. Well, y'all, I love some Duke's mayonnaise, but I don't like it real wet. Even when I make a sandwich, it's just a thin layer. So I'm doing about a half a cup. So half of her recipe would be 3/4 of a cup, but I'm going to try and start with this half a cup. It might need more because of the crackers. Let's see. Alright, now we're just going to stir it up. Now she added some pepper to hers, but y'all ain't going to believe this. I'm out of pepper. And Poppy's going to have to go to the store and get some on his way home from work. But, yeah, I'm out. Alright, y'all, this ain't a bad looking salad. Look at there. Not bad looking. Let's taste it. Well, it's very mayonnaise-y. That's just about all I can taste. It's not horrible. And I can eat it with my lunch. It's edible. That's just too much mayonnaise for me. That's a lot of mayonnaise. You know what might make it better? Is if you mix some plain Greek yogurt, half that and half mayonnaise. I bet you that would be really good. Anyhow, let me make my lunch. So I'm just going to toast this bread. This is French bread that I got from the deli at Walmart. I just want one sandwich. I don't want all one. I love this bread. I love it. You know what? I'm going to try adding another egg to it. Because it does kind of remind me of an egg salad. So, let me try that. Stir that up. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't make a full recipe of this. Now that made it better. That made it a lot better. Well, that made it taste like something that I would eat without regretting it. Boy, that's a lot of mayonnaise. Y'all, if you love mayonnaise, you're going to love this. Ooh, my toast is done. Let's take this, put it on my sandwich here. that's a lot. This old lady's going to have some lunch. I'll probably give the chickens the rest of this salad. I don't know. I'm not saving that for Poppy. Well, y'all, here's my lunch. I hope I don't regret eating this. I think this is a salad where a little bit goes a long ways for me, especially because of the amount of mayonnaise or the overwhelming flavor of mayonnaise. I'm going to keep trying these Paula Deen recipes. Most of her sweet recipes I think are fantastic. A lot of her crock pot recipes are very good. But sometimes you get a hold of one that's just not that great. And this is one of them. But I'm not going to waste the food. I'm going to eat a little bit of this salad. I'm going to eat my sandwich. Y'all have a great afternoon. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see y'all again real soon. Alright?